Are you ready to break free from the chains of financial stress and embrace a life of true freedom? Well, if you're a tiny house owner seeking financial independence, then this video is literally tailor-made for you. We're about to uncover 10 incredible passive income ideas specifically designed for tiny house owners, giving you guys the keys to unlock the door to a life of financial abundance. Imagine living in your dream home while effortlessly generating income streams that sustain your lifestyle and open doors to exciting opportunities. Get ready to discover the secrets of financial freedom in your tiny house as we dive deeper into these game-changing strategies. Numero uno. Rent out your tiny house on Airbnb. Travelers are becoming more and more enamored with the distinctive and inexpensive vacation experiences that tiny house rentals provide. You can give guests a warm and intimate setting while also creating a reliable income stream by investing in a tiny house for your vacation rental business. Purchase or construct a suitable tiny home first that can fit the facilities and furniture needed for a vacation rental. A tiny house should be portable and adhere to all applicable safety and health regulations. Once the structure or construction is complete, begin your marketing campaign to attract potential visitors. On websites like VRBO or Airbnb, post a listing for your tiny house. Both individuals who value an original and simple vacation experience, as well as those who place a high value on accessibility and environmentally friendly travel, are potential targets here. One benefit of using a tiny house as a holiday rental is the flexibility that offers, which can broaden your clientele and boost your income potential. The tiny house may also be less expensive to run and maintain due to its smaller size than larger holiday rental homes. That's more money for you. Number 2, create a blog or a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for writing or video creation, start a blog or consider starting one, or maybe a YouTube channel focused on tiny house living, design, or DIY projects. By producing quality content and building a loyal audience, you can monetize your blog or channel through advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, thus generating passive income through your passion. Number 3, rent out house for events. Another option is to use a tiny house as an event arena. You can rent out your modest house for informal parties, weddings, or business events. Not everyone wants a big wedding or knows enough people to fill one up. A little house could function as an event location for folks having smaller nuptials. Of course, you're going to need to use the one on the larger side in terms of size. However, for small groups like book clubs, this could be an excellent concept. To begin, you would need to buy or build a little house large enough to host a large or small number of people, whatever your intentions are. The interior of the little house would then need to be transformed into a welcoming and useful event venue. Install lighting, sound equipment, and seating to transform that little house into an event area. And same difference. Additionally, design a useful layout that makes the most of the available space while still enabling easy movement and comfort for visitors. Start reaching out to potential customers after your teeny tiny house event venue is finished. For small gatherings like weddings, birthday celebrations, and corporate events, target people or organizations that are searching for a distinctive and cozy event location. The flexibility of moving a tiny house to multiple areas can broaden your clientele and can boost your earning potential when using it as an event space. Additionally, the tiny house may be more cost-effective to run and maintain due to its smaller size than larger event venues, which might translate into higher profit margins. Number 4, develop and rent out a tiny house community. If you own a large piece of land suitable for multiple tiny houses, then consider developing a little tiny house community. By providing essential amenities such as shared utilities, communal spaces, and eco-friendly facilities, you can attract tiny house enthusiasts to rent or lease spaces within your community, creating a long-term passive income stream. Number 5, create and sell tiny house plans. Utilize your expertise in tiny house living to create detailed floor plans and design blueprints. Platforms such as Etsy or your own website can be used to sell these plans to aspiring tiny house owners. Market your designs through social media and online forums to increase your visibility and reach a broader audience, resulting in passive income from planned sales. Number 6, rent out parking space for tiny house owners. Many tiny house owners struggle to find suitable parking spaces for their dwellings. If you have extra land or a spacious driveway, consider renting out parking space to other tiny house owners. By charging a monthly fee, you could provide a convenient solution for tiny house owners while generating passive income from your available land. Number 7, create and sell tiny house related products. Tap into that growing market of tiny house enthusiasts by creating and selling products that go really well in tiny houses. That can include anything from custom furniture and storage solutions to unique decor items or eco-friendly appliances. Utilize online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, or your own e-commerce website to reach potential customers and generate passive income. Number 8, establish a food truck. A unique and affordable business concept that could set you apart from other eateries in the neighborhood is turning a tiny house into a tiny food truck. Well, a regular size food truck. Anyways, this concept is transforming a tiny house into a food truck and using it to offer food and drinks in various settings, including festivals, farmers markets, open gatherings. The adaptability of a tiny house offers is one advantage of employing it as a food truck. Because they can be moved, tiny houses on wheels are able to adapt to changes in the market. That gives operators of food trucks a chance to discover new areas and attract new clients. The flexibility that a compact house offers for modification is another benefit. The tiny house's inside can be constructed to accommodate all of the essential equipment, such as a kitchen, storage, serving space, all that. Furthermore, the exterior of the tiny house can be designed to suit the company's logo, making it stand out and attract more customers. Look into the prerequisites for establishing a food truck business in your area. Also, if you travel to new places, make sure you're in compliance. Number 9, open a small bookstore and a cafe. Using tiny houses as a cafe can be a very viable business venture that takes advantage of the growing trend of unique and movable food venues. A small home cafe provides clients with a comfortable and intimate atmosphere while also offering the proprietor with a transportable and a cost-effective option to manage a business. Begin by obtaining or constructing a suitable tiny house that can store the necessary cafe equipment and features. Ascertain that the tiny house complies with all applicable food safety and health laws. And once your teeny tiny house cafe is finished, begin marketing to potential customers using social media and/or paid advertisements. You can go after those who emphasize having a special and private eating experience, as well as those who appreciate supporting small and independent enterprises. One benefit of using a tiny house as a cafe is the flexibility that provides, which can help you draw in more customers and boost your income. In addition, the tiny house may be easier to run and maintain due to its smaller size than larger physical locations, which could translate into higher profit margins. You have to guarantee a consistent flow of clients if you want your tiny house cafe to be lucrative. By providing a distinctive menu and a very good eating experience, as well as by using social media and other marketing methods to connect with potential customers, you can do this. You can. Number 10, invest in dividend-paying stocks. Another passive income idea for tiny house owners is to invest in dividend-paying stocks. Dividends are regular payments made by companies to their shareholders as a share of their profits. Research and select stable dividend-paying companies that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Reinvesting dividends or opting for dividend reinvestment plans can compound your returns and make a steady stream of passive income. Achieving financial freedom as a tiny house owner is within reach, and that's all with the implementation of passive income strategies. By leveraging the unique advantages of tiny house living, such as reduced expenses and flexibility, you can explore various avenues to generate passive income. Whether that's renting out your tiny house, monetizing your skills, your knowledge, or investing in income-generating assets, each of these 10 ideas provides the opportunities to boost your financial independence. Remember to assess the feasibility, the profitability, and the market demand of each idea before you actually commit your time and your resources. With determination, creativity, and a well-executed strategy, you can embark on a journey towards financial freedom while you enjoy the benefits of tiny house living.